welcome to Washoe County Library's very first segment of Crafternoon, a virtual craft program sponsored by Washoe County Libraries. My name is Cecily and I work at the Downtown Reno branch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make birdseed ornaments. And these ornaments are made to be placed on your outside trees to help feed our feathered friends during the cold winter months. And I wanted to let you guys know that using the awesome resources on our Washoe County Library website, I was able to do the research to make sure that this recipe that I'm using today is safe for our little friends. And sure enough, it's safe, and not only is it safe, but it's really easy, and it's fun, and it's minimal cleanup. Parents will love that. So let's get started. The great thing about this craft recipe is that there's only 4 ingredients. We have gelatin unflavored, corn syrup, water, and birdseed. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to dump the 2 packets of gelatin in the bowl. We're going to add our water. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of cold water. Mix, mix, mix. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of our boiling water. And this is to help the gelatin dissolve. So we're going to give it a good mix. All right. Okay. Next ingredient, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. And they don't have to be exactly, because corn syrup is very messy to work with. All right, we're going to give that a good mixing together. Just maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. Just making sure those clumps of gelatin that are left behind get mixed in well. All right, so there we have our liquid. At this point, we can start pouring in the birdseed, and I like to use a songbird birdseed mix. It has less of the sunflower, the black seeds. Just kind of holds together better. So we're gonna mix, mix, mix. Just long enough that all of our ingredients are mixed together well. Okay. So I'm filling my last cookie cutter, and we just want to make sure as we fill these that we're pressing down, getting all of the air bubbles out so we get a nice shape from the cookie cutter. A wooden spoon is best for this. It doesn't seem to stick as much as it does to like a stainless spoon. So we have it all nice and patted down, all of the air bubbles out. Now we're going to take a piece of straw. I used 2 straws and cut 3 pieces out of it, about 1.5 inches or so. And we're going to stick that right in the middle where we're going to get a nice hole when these ornaments have firmed up, at which point we'll take the straw out and be able to hang them with the twine. So at this point, it is 24 hours in the refrigerator. So we've taken the birdseed ornaments out of the refrigerator. They've been in there a little bit less than 24 hours. And as you can see, I've taken some of them out of the actual cookie cutter, and they've come out quite nice. I did save one to show you how I get it out of the cookie cutter. So basically you want to just kind of pull the sides away from the ornament itself. And then just kind of press down in a couple places on the ornament and pull that cookie cutter off. Pull the straw out, which made the hole. Then we're going to take about a 12-inch piece of twine and thread it through. Don't worry if you lose a few birdseed, that's normal. I'm going to give it a little tie, like so, and voila! They are ready to hang on the tree. Thank you for joining us today for Crafternoons with Washoe County Libraries. For more activities and events like these, please join us on our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to tag us at WashoueCountyLibrary.us with pictures of your creations. Bye for now.